Good afternoon. Who was at this morning's design session? Cool, about half? That's brilliant. Okay, so if you weren't at this morning's design session, my name's Nathan Kinch. I'm the head of experience and labs at Miko. I'm going to be taking a slightly higher level role in this session and merely facilitating. You've got some brilliant speakers. To kick off proceedings, if you're not participating via Screen.io or you're not using the conference app, give it a crack. I'm sure the content is going to be incredibly compelling. At the end, we will have an opportunity to ask any burning questions that you may have that you haven't put up through Participate.io, or Screen.io, excuse me. But otherwise, what we're going to do is prioritize, just as we did this morning, and ask the speakers a few questions. So again, we're here to talk about MyData design. But we're not going to be running a practical workshop. What we're going to be doing is listening to, again, a great group of speakers who are going to be sharing some insights, some opportunities that they see, some challenges that they've faced and potentially overcome. And hopefully, some of those insights and learnings you can take away and apply within your organization or whatever your context is. These are our speakers. So we've got, I'm going to call them out. Come down, guys. Sarah, Ramon, Mads, Pierrick. Just familiarise yourself with their faces. They're going to be in your face for the next hour and a half. You may be seated. All right. Just to set the context, and we did this morning, I hope you found it useful. Regardless of what your interpretation of design is, or what your definition of design is, we've tried to really refine the focus and put a simple definition in place. So we're defining design as the deliberate practice of solving complex human problems. And the idea of today, if we can take some learnings away from the insights, the challenges that have been faced and overcome by the speakers, and also the opportunities that they see, hopefully we're in a better position to design products that are desirable, viable, and feasible. So what we're going to cover: business models, behavior, policy, technology, cognition. In no particular order, it's going to be mixed up all over the place, but again, these are the types of things we're going to be covering, and keep in mind the context through which we're approaching design. So, I will bid you farewell and hand over to Sarah.